Assalamu alaikum and welcome to Abdullah Patel English High School and DRT Junior College. Today we are going to start by our subject English. Starting by the last chapter of our novel, that is Unit 4, 4.4, The Sign of 4. By the brainstorming activity, as you all know, this novel is not having any icebreakers. It is having only the activity part, that is our brainstorming activity. So let's start by the activity part. See if in any video is any question is missing. Okay, so it doesn't mean that I have not given answer to it. It is your homework. You have to complete it in your English notebook. Okay, so nobody will ask me that miss this question is missing. That particular question is homework given to you people. That is compulsory, you have to do. I have not given, that doesn't mean that is omitted one or that is cancelled one. Okay, you have to complete in your English notebook. Moving further to the brainstorming activity of 4.4. First part, character A1. First, read each track again and complete a web by highlighting the qualities of the following characters. Here 3 characters have been given to us. If you are having textbook, you can see. So 4 qualities we have to write of the characters which they have acted in the story. Okay, so Dr. Watson, here the quality of Dr. Watson is emotional, courteous, simple, shy, pessimistic, trustful. Anything you can write for him. Sherlock Holmes, intelligent, skillful, sharp, careful, accurate, precise, objective. These are the qualities of Sherlock Holmes. Third character over here is Mary Morstan. Her quality is that she is very beautiful, attractive lady, very kind, sensitive, easy to understand. These are the qualities of Mary Morstan. Okay, now this in simple we can write like over here. I hope the slide is visible to you people. Moving further to the next. Describe the character of Mary Morstan from Dr. Watson's point of view. Okay, so means it is like a short note on Mary Morstan. Hello, myself, Dr. Watson. As per my point of view, Mary was attractive, charming. When I first saw her, she was in well dressed, looking simple. She was a young lady, small, dainty, well gloved and dressed in the most perfect taste. Mary was near about 27 years old. I had never looked upon a face which gave a clear promise of refined and sensitive nature. I was much impressed by her. So this is the answer for the second question. See if there is any spelling mistake, so please don't laugh on it. Okay, make corrections as it is typing mistake. So just have a correction of it. You are grown up, so you can do the correction on your own. For example, here see dress looking. So here O by mistake O has not been typed. Okay, so just make the correction instead of laughing. Moving further to the third one. See third, fourth and fifth is there in character. Okay, so moving further to the third question, that is of Sherlock Holmes is the leading character in the extract. Explain so we have to write a note on Sherlock Holmes. Sherlock Holmes is the main character in the novel. He is detective and decided to help Mary Morstan in her case as per her request. Holmes was the one who took the lead and found out about Major Schultz. It was Holmes who analyzed the handwriting in the letter that Mary had received. He was very sharp, intelligent, accurate, and methodical. He was expert detective and an excellent record of solving cases. Dr. Watson was his intimate friend who helped him and kept a record of his cases. Moving further to the fourth one, Dr. Watson, the narrator, is one of the major characters in the novel. Illustrate. Again, this is a short note on Dr. Watson. Dr. Watson is the second major character after Holmes in the novel. He is a narrator. He is always with Holmes, helping him to solve cases. Dr. Watson kept a record of all the cases that Holmes was a part of. In this chapter of the novel, he attracted towards Mary Marston in first meeting. He was with Holmes in Mary case to find out his father's disappearance. In the end of the story, he marries Mary Marston. Last question of the character. Fifth one, Holmes is always one step ahead of Dr. Watson in solving cases. Illicit. Mr. Holmes is a sharp, objective, and methodical detective. On the other hand, Dr. Watson is emotional, simple, and trustful friend. Holmes is analytical and notices the little details which give him clues to solving a case. Watson does not, and hence is often on the wrong track. Holmes is a real detective while Watson is merely his companion. Holmes is always ahead of Watson and solves cases which Watson is not even near to cracking. Moving further to the next question. See here the table has been given to you. First column is of jumbled incident. Second, we have to correct down and write. So here I have written. See, you can see it has been written by my hand. Okay, using the color pen. So the correct option, point fifth will become first point. Point fourth will become second point. Point third will become third point. Second point second will become fourth point, and the first point, Holmes put a revolver in his pocket, will become the last point. Okay. Then the next question. Discuss the importance of the following statement from the light of the extract. The trio Holmes, Dr. Watson, and Mary decide to visit Lyceum Theatre. So here, I hope the screen is visible to you people. I'm just having a reading for you people. If in case any word is not visible or not understandable to you people, so that is the reason that I am reading it. Okay. Mary tells Holmes that she received a letter instructing her to go to Lyceum Theatre with the accompaniment of two friends. That letter gives a hint that some injustice had been done to her. Holmes and Watson agree to accompany Mary. Soon Watson, as he engages Mary in his conversation, get attracted to each other. As the trio are heading to the Lyceum Theatre, they are whisked away in a darkened carriage to a strange house. Inside the house, they find an eccentric gentleman named Thaddeus Sholto, who reveals that Mary's father died leaving behind great hidden treasure. Second question, Mary received pearls every year on the same day. Mary Marston gets the case of her father's disappearance to Sherlock to solve. She informs Holmes that Mary's father disappeared mysteriously. A few years later, she was surprised to see an advertisement which was published in the newspaper asking for her address. Mary gave her address, and ever since then, on the same day, Mary received a rare and expensive pearl. She continued for some more years, but that day she received a letter to meet the addresser at Lyceum Theatre. Moving further to the next, Holmes carefully examined the paper given by Mary. Mary handed over the paper to Holmes. He examined carefully and gave following inferences. First, the paper was made in India. The diagram appeared to be a plan of a large building with numerous halls and corridors. Here dramas elevation towards red mark, and above it is 337 from left in faded pencil writing. In the left hand side it is curious hieroglyphic like four crosses in a line with arms touching. Finally, names of four and sign of four is revealed: Jonathan Small, Mohammed Singh, Abdullah Khan, and Dos Akbar. The paper, being an evident document, was carefully kept in a pocket book, for one side is as clean as the other. Now the third part is setting. A3. Cite various references line from the extract that tell us about the time and period of the events. So the lines has been given and time and period has been given. I hope the slide is visible to you people. I'm not going to read this. Okay, just take a screenshot and write down in your English notebook. Second, how does the series of action go from London to India? Explained by citing references from the extract. Take a screenshot. The extract begins when Mary Marston met Sherlock Holmes at his house. After that, Holmes, Dr. Watson, and Mary visit some places in London. Explain in detail the various places mentioned in the extract. Take a screenshot of all this and write it down in your English notebook. Next question, basically the setting of the extract in London, but it has some references of India to explain how the setting of the extract contribute to the theme of the novel. A and B point is given. I hope the words are visible to you people. If not, make your quality much better. So if one describe in brief the importance of the following places in the extract. So here the first place has been given is London, and London has been described. Take a screenshot and write down in your English notebook. Moving further to the next place is Lyceum Theatre. Next is Agra and Andaman Island. I hope the slide is visible to you people. If any word is not understandable to you people, it is not readable to by you, so you can open your textbook and find it out. Okay, you can get the word from your textbook also. Last is Edinburgh. Complete which places it is in India and England are mentioned here have appeared in the extract. Also write about the importance. See here, Andaman Island and Agra has been given to you in India, and from London, Langham Hotel and Lyceum Theatre has been given. So we have to write about the importance. Okay, I hope the slide is visible to you people. Take a screenshot and write down in your English notebook. Moving further, now we are started by theme A4. Write in brief with the theme of the extract. Write 4 to 5 sentences about the meeting of Miss Marston with Holmes. Write the central idea of the given extract of the novel The Sign of 4. So the answer is given over here. Take a screenshot and write down in your notebook. I hope 3 questions are clearly seen to you people with their answers. Moving further, see, this is the reason statement has been given to you. You have to write down the reason. See, I have written over here. Reason: Miss Marston planned to meet Sherlock Holmes. So the reason is to ask him to solve the mystery of his father and expensive pearls. Second, Miss Marston gave the reference of Mrs. Cecil Forrester because Mrs. Cecil was her employer. It's a singular case because Mr. Marston had come back to England. Holmes needed some references to find out details about Miss Marston received a pearl every year when she replied to an advertisement. The coachman confirmed that neither of Miss Marston's companion was a police officer because this was the condition made by. Okay, so this is the reason. Take a screenshot and write down. See, if you are satisfied by the earlier slide, you can go by that. If you want this answers, you can select this also. Okay, it is your choice that what you are writing. Marks will be depend on the correct answer. Content is important over here. Don't see the length that is the small one here, so many in a sentence we have to write. Don't think that. Okay, what you feel better, you can go by that. I have provided you with 2 answers. You can choose any one. Now the last is language A5. Elaborate their following line in light of the novel Extract, the sign of four. I hope the slide is visible to you people. Take a screenshot and write down. The dialogue is given, speaker who has spoke to whom it has been said, and the tone or the style we have to write. If you're having textbook, you can see the question properly and write down in your notebook. Quickly take a screenshot of it. So here I end by the brainstorming activity and our 4th unit. Okay, thank you so much for listening. Stay at home, stay safe.